My wonderful students, how are you? We are back again to continue with our speech sound. How are you out there? Today we are going to look at consonant sound. Consonant sound. The previous lessons, we were taught our vowel sound. At the end of this lesson, remember, you'll be able to define the sound, what consonant sound is, analyze them by identifying them, classifying them, and pronouncing them correctly. You'll be able to define, identify, classify, and pronounce them correctly. A consonant sound is a sound that is produced with an obstruction of S string. A sound that is produced with an obstruction of S string. For example, when you want to pronounce a word like you can see that your lungs are free. Your lungs are free. There is free flow of air from your lungs to your mouth. Okay? But when you pronounce a word like you see a little difficult in pronouncing it. So I think that is what I mean. That is what I mean by an obstruction of airflow. Anyone that has that obstruction is a consonant sound. Anyone that does not have it is a vowel sound. Do you understand? Okay, let's proceed. Last time, the previous lesson, we said that we have 44 speech sounds in English language. 20 vowel sounds and 24 consonant sounds. So today we are going to look at the 24 consonant sounds. Let's write them down. Please write with me because I may be cleaning this up. Okay? All right. Look at the sound. These are the 24 consonant sounds. Consonant sounds. Over the years, I've been saying that they don't have problem with consonant sounds. The consonant sounds, the sounds are familiar. They are familiar with the sound. Okay? Just because of the English alphabet. But I want you to pay attention. There are some of them that are not in an English alphabet. So pay attention to those ones as we pronounce them. Some of them you can't hear the sound. Some of them, you just take them. Some of them are bilabial, some of them are plosive. I don't want to go into that, but I want you to just get the sounds as I pronounce them. B, D, K, G, Ch, J, V, D, V, V, Sh, J. Okay. Mm. 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 E. R. And R. Can see some of them you didn't hear any sound. But this is how to pronounce the consonant sound. But I know that you'll appreciate the lesson more when you see the words that have the sound. So let's go. I want you to copy this because I don't know how we are going to do it, but I'll give you the sound, the words. Leave some spaces. When you come to 8, maybe you continue if you have space in your note. Don't just add them just because of we have limited space here. You would have given spaces for words. But let's go. Are you with me? All right. For this one, it's the normal sound you know in English alphabet. P, as in P. We have words like pin. That's the sound. Pin. Pin. Okay. When you see something like pipe, when you see something like porridge, what you like. I may not write the words, but please pay attention and get them down. The ones that need spelling, I'll spell. Okay? Spoke. The P in spoke. S-P-O-K-E. Tap. That's where you see the sounds. Okay? Fob. You have it in boil. Boil. Broom. Bulb. And so on. You have the sound in tin. Tin. Give me other ones. Thyme. Thyme. T-H-Y-M-E. The spice for cooking. You have it in stick. You can see the sound in the middle. Stick. And so on. Okay? For d, d, d. Not the, but the. Okay? We have door, door. We have drum. Okay? We have red. You can see this. You can see it here. You can see it in red. Okay? Fork. Give me the sound. The word kite. Kite. Kitchen. Queue. Queue. Keys. And so on. Okay? For this one is G. Not J, but G. G. Gun. Gun. Okay? Sag. Don't sag. Sag. And so on. Okay? The next one is pronounced as ch. Ch. For some of you that know their Igbo alphabet, you know this Igbo alphabet. Chi. That's the sound. Ch. 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 Okay? Church. Chair. Charity. And so on. Okay? We have the next one is pronounced as J. Pronounce it. J. Again. Judge. Judge. Garage. Okay? You see the sound there. Join. J. Join. J. J. The next one is as in farm, fight, flour, and so on. Okay? We have another one. Pronounce it. Van, vehicle, valve, and so on. You have this one pronounced as, pronounce it. The sound you produce by trying to push out air between your teeth, the dental sound. As in thing, both. Okay? This one is pronounced as the, not the, but the, as in then, father, father, and so on. Okay, let's proceed. This one is, give me a word. Sip. Good. Sip. Sleep. Sleep. Girl. Girl. And so on. This one is pronounced as zip. Z. Zip. Boys. boys, houses, and so on. This one is pronounced as sh. Sh. See if you want to say shut up, shut, shop, ship, ocean, and so on. Okay? Pronounce this. This one is z. Remember in vowel sound, we saw something like that when we treated it, where we placed the colon. That one is a vowel sound. But without that colon, it is a consonant sound. And the pronunciation, the sound is as in measure, treasure. Okay. Garage. You see G there. You see J. Because I mentioned that one in Ga. Okay. J. And so on. Pleasure, not pleasure. Okay. This one is, pronounce it, the hair is an H in English alphabet, but the sound is, you can see something like hurt, hurt. And so on. Okay. The next one is man, girl, man. Okay. Have other sounds, ma, and so on. Main. You can see the sound at end. Main. Okay. Another one is pronounce it. Okay. Give me the sound. Give me the word. No. Good. Nine. No. And so on. Okay. And so on. Okay. This one is pronounced as If you want to pull your tongue back to your throat. In Igbo alphabet, it is pronounced as nge. Okay? Now you know. As in bang. Sound. Tongue. Many of them under this. And anytime you see ing, morning, not morning. That's no G there. That's the sound. Morning. And so on. Evening. Okay? This one is leg. Lamb. Land. And so on. Okay? Okay. All right. Let's see this one. Pay attention to this. Pronounce it. It's not G. is year. Year. E. Pronounce it again. Year. Okay. As in yam. You. And so on. Pay attention to it. It's not J. It's you. Rat. Red. Rattle. And so on. Rabbit. Okay. Then we have the last one. Pronounce it. As in watch. 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 Pronounce another one. Okay. Whistle. Another one. Wardrobe. Good. And so on. These are the 24 consonant sounds. I want you to master the pronunciation. Master the pronunciation. Okay, remember I said pronunciation. I didn't say pronunciation. Please. That's where some students get it wrong. Master the pronunciation and we continue. But I want to pay attention to 8 of them. Remember that almost all of them, apart from these ones I'm going to mention now, are in our English alphabet. We know them. We know that this is. Students find it very easy to identify these ones in words. But please, I want us to concentrate on these 8. Let's concentrate on these 8 and learn them today, please. So that you will not make any mistake in identifying them in any exam you sit for. Okay? Please pay attention to this. You know we don't have them in English alphabet. Okay? And all right. Please pay attention to this one. This one is pronounced as J. J. Sh. Sh. Oh. Okay. I've given this one. Don't worry, I'll get the other one. J. Sh. Sh. Pronounce it again. Ch. Oh. The. Y. And ye. And ye. J. Sh. Ch. Oh. The. Y. And ye. Please pay attention. Over the years, I found out that students find this one difficult. But if you get it today, There's nothing much in it. Just to pay attention, produce words under them. Okay, give me the word under Z. Give me the word under Z. Okay? Under G. Okay, under G. Okay, judge, rage, sponge, John, judgment, many words under G. Okay, give me words under sh. Shop, shoe, short, short. You have many of them. Oh, yeah. Give me more. Okay, that's good. We have under ch. We have ch. Church, church, chair, 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 chimney, and so on. Oh, tongue, bang, bong, bong, tongue. Song, morning, morning, song, morning. These are under days. Think. Thank you. Thought. Both. And so on. Okay? Bath. Bath. Take your bath. Okay? This one is the. As in, they. I want you to pay attention to this. All these THE. Mention them. The. They. Them. There. All these THE, they're under here. It's not pronounced as the, but the. Not them, but them. Not they, but they. Okay? Then z. Give me words under this. We have gens of literature. Jean. We have garage. We have measure. We have pleasure, and so on. Then with this one, remember that you didn't say this as a sound. This is an alphabet. It's not a sound. This is the sound of this. Remember that there's nothing like this. Okay? So this is the sound E. You. As in fuel. Have you seen it here? Fuel. Okay? As you. Okay? As in blue. Okay? You. So please get the sounds and make sure you just master them. Other ones are okay because you can easily pick them in words. But please, this one, give yourself an assignment. At least you supply up to 10 or 12 words under this. A good dictionary, will be of help. There are other things that I wanted us to take, but we'll now continue with consonant sounds in our last lesson. Remember that these sounds, there are so many of them that you will see in words, but the sounds are not there. You will see the spelling of some of them, but they don't have that sound. We'll throw more light on that. But before then, do much to help yourself as you take these exercise. Take this assignment. Yeah? All right. Please do well to do it, the assignment, and submit it. Before we meet again, say bye, stay safe, and regards to your parents. Thank you.